If I've learned anything in the last year from reporting on this, it's that buying and selling a home is really scary and really overwhelming. We just agreed to whatever she said because we trusted her.
You, a real estate reporter, didn't ask about the commission.
I did not ask about the commission. I'm willing to say that to you, Michael Alfaro, to your face. I did not ask about the commission. I think we paid 6%.
Did you hear that? Deborah Kamin said she sold her home. She's the preeminent reporter on real estate conspiracy and commission, and she can't say how much commission she paid. I smell something funny. I haven't verified that because I'm not a reporter. I think you paid less than 6%. Because a lot of people pay less than 6%. You negotiated a good deal, but it doesn't fit your narrative.